Today we're going to simplify a fraction using skills from the Properties of Fractions chapter. The fraction we're working with is 16x plus 6y over 6x minus 8y. Before we start canceling anything, we need to remember an important rule. You can only cancel terms when a factor is common to every part of the numerator and denominator. So first, let's factor both the numerator and the denominator. In the numerator, we have 16x plus 6y. What do both terms have in common? They both have a factor of 2, so we can factor to get 2 times 8x plus 3y. Now for the denominator, 6x minus 8y. Again, both numbers are divisible by 2, so we can factor that out as well. 2 times 3x minus 4y. Now let's rewrite the entire fraction using these factored forms. 2 times 8x plus 3y over 2 times 3x minus 4y. Now we can cancel out the 2 from the top and bottom, because it's a factor of both the numerator and the denominator. What's left is 8x plus 3y over 3x minus 4y, and that's our simplified fraction. Let's quickly recap. We factored out common numbers, canceled them, and simplified the fraction into its cleanest form. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.